Hi kids. In this session now you are going to learn about natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. It refers to a plant community which is unaffected by man either directly or indirectly. The plant community which is unaffected by man, that is known as the natural vegetation. It most probably exists only in the natural environment. Natural vegetation, it includes the all the type of the plant life. Okay, all the type of the plant life. What are the types we are having the plant life? Bushes we can able to see, herbs, shrubs, the longest trees, the largest trees, the longest trees, everything we can able to find here in the natural vegetation. Most probably on the basis of the soil as well as the rainfall only, the vegetation type it will changes in place to place. In India, what are the type of the natural vegetation we can able to find? That only we are going to learn in this session. Tropical evergreen forest, that is the first one we are going to learn now. These forests are found in areas with 200 centimeter or more annual rainfall. Here the annual temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 70%. Okay, and the area which receives the heaviest rainfall, already I told you, western coastal plain, eastern Himalayas, and the Indus Ganga, that northern plains, everything I told, isn't it? Here in the western coastal plain, it receives the highest rainfall. So in the western Ghats, we may watch the evergreen forest, as well as in the eastern Himalayas, it also covered by the evergreen forest. These are the places which is having the evergreen forest in India. Okay, here the states it comes under the Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Islands also. It also having the evergreen forest alone. Okay, Assam, West Bengal, everything it's having the which type of the vegetation there? Only the evergreen forest type of the vegetations. And the important trees which we can be able to find here are rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo. These are all the some of the trees we can be able to find here. Next, you are going to learn about the tropical deciduous forest. These are found in the area with 100 to 200 centimeter. Actually, the tropical deciduous forest, it is otherwise called as the monsoon forest. In these two type of the forest, what is the difference means? That means in the evergreen forest and the deciduous forest, what is the difference means? Deciduous forest, it falls the leaves in the autumn season. Okay, the leaves it will fall from the trees, but the evergreen forest it will be evergreen throughout the year. The leaves it won't fall from the tree. Okay, and also the evergreen tree forest are the dense forest, but the deciduous forest are not that much dense when we are comparing with the evergreen forest. Okay, here we will come there. The annual temperature here it will be 27 degree Celsius, and the annual the humidity it will be 60 to 70 percentage. Okay, where we can able to find this one means we can able to find in the peninsular plateau. This type of the forest it will be the in the peninsular forest. The types of the trees are teak, sal, sandalwood, rosewood. All these type of the trees we can able to find here. Next it comes for the tropical dry forest, where the rainfall is 50 to 100 centimeter. There only we can be able to find the tropical dry forest. They represent a transitional type of the forest. This most probably found in the East Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. In Maharashtra also, Eastern Maharashtra, because Western Maharashtra it's having only the evergreen forest, but the Eastern Maharashtra it is the dry forest only it's there. Telangana, West Karnataka, and also East Tamil Nadu. There we can be able to find this type of the trees. And what are the trees we can be able to find here means banyan, amlets, palas, haldu, kikar, bamboo, like this type of the trees we can be able to find here. And the desert and semi-desert vegetations are there. These are also called as the tropical thorn forest, where the rainfall less than 50 centimeter, there we can able to find the desert and semi-desert vegetation. They have only the very low humidity and the temperature is too high. These forests we may found in the northwest India, which includes West Rajasthan, southwest Haryana, north Gujarat and southwest Punjab. Mountain or mountain forest. These forests we are classifying into the two types on the basis of the altitude and also the amount of rainfall. Eastern Himalayan forest and the Western Himalayan forest. Eastern Himalayan forests are found on the slopes of the mountains in the northeast states, where the rainfall will be more than 200 centimeter. The vegetation, it is evergreen type. Already I told you, evergreen trees, tropical said, isn't it? The evergreen trees, where that means in the Eastern Himalaya also we can able to find the evergreen trees alone. The altitude between 1200 to 2400 meter found in this type of the forest. Sal, oak, laurel, amura, chestnut, cinnamon, these type of the trees we can able to find in these places. And above the 2400 to 3600 meter height, we can able to find the oak, birk, silver, fir, find this type of the trees we can able to find them. Okay, Western Himalayan forest. The rainfall of this region is moderate alone. These forests are found in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Up to 900 meter altitude, semi-desert vegetation is found, and also it is known for the bushes and small trees. In altitude from 900 to 1800 meter, cedar tree is the most common tree. And other important trees also is there. Sal, samal, dak, jamun and jujube also we can able to find here. Okay. Alpine forest. It occurs all along the Himalayas with about 2400 meter altitude. Here we may see in the oak, silver, fir, pine, this type of the trees. Most probably here coniferous trees alone most probably we can able to find here. Tidal forest. Tidal forest, the delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra, we can able to find the tidal forest. Now, it is known as the mangrove forest. The delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra, Godavari, the delta of the Mahanadi, in these places we can able to find the tidal forest. What the other name I told for this one? Mangrove forest. Next, coastal forest. These are littoral forests we are saying. Generally, coastal areas have this type of the forest. Casuarina, palm and coconut are the most important trees in this area. Most probably we can find this one in the Kerala and Goa. Riverine forest. These forests are found along the rivers or Ghadar areas. These are known for the tamarisk and tamarind trees. The rivers of Great Plains are more prominent for this type of the natural vegetation. Thank you, children.